Good morning to one and all present here, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow trainees. My name is Sonam Inki, and today I'll be talking on the topic Life, Ideals, and Contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. But before starting the speech, I would like to quote the most famous quotation of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He said, "They cannot make history who forget history." So today, on this very important day, I would like to tell more about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and he was born on 14 April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He belonged to a very poor Dalit family, which faced him a lot of discriminations in the society. But then, despite all the challenges, he studied very hard and he became one of the most educated person of his time. He went to the University of Bombay, and later he also went to the University of Columbia, which is in USA, and he later went to the he also went to the schools of economics in United Kingdoms. He earned many degrees, including a doctorate. Moving to the ideas of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he believed in equality, he believed in social justice, he believed in education, he believed in liberty, equality, and fraternity, and he even emphasized the importance of empowerment of women. He strongly believed that every human being is equal, regardless of caste, religion, or gender. He fought against untouchability and caste discrimination. He fought for untouchability and caste discrimination because he himself was a poor human being, and he has seen how people treated the people who belonged from a very oppressed society, and people who belonged in the untouchable society, they were not even allowed to go to the temples. And people, if they see anyone speaking to the people who are belonging in the very low caste, they were to wash their hands, and they were not even allowed to enter into the temples. And the second one is, he also believed in education. He believed that the most powerful tool for any human being on this earth is education. He believed that with education, we can fight any injustice or social ill treatment towards us. And he also emphasized the empowerment of women. He said, the society will not develop if we don't give importance to the women and women's upliftment and equal participation in the society. And we all know how much he has contributed to the society of India, and he is not only known for the architect of Indian Constitution, but he is also a very great human being. Because of him, we are able to live a very equal and very liberalized society right now, right? And then, he was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution, and he ensured that the Constitution guaranteed justice, liberty, equality, fraternity for all citizens. And then I would like to conclude my speech saying that if I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. So, do you all feel the justice is being served to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in this present scenario? Because I don't find the Constitution is being followed very validly till now, like how Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he himself wanted the people of India to be followed, right? So, being an educated person, I would all request you all to be more sensible regarding the Constitution that he has created for the citizens of India. Lastly, be educated, be organized, and be agitated. Thank you.